They're birds. Let's try to shoot.
Yes! We made it!
Hello! こんにちは。I'm ゆき先生。ゆき先生です。一石二鳥とは何ですか？ What does shooting two birds in a shot mean? 一石二鳥とは、一つの石で2羽の鳥を得ること。一つの行為で2つの利益を得ることです。一石二鳥 Shooting two birds in a shot in English. It means accomplishing two different things at the same time. That's very efficient, don't you think?